Hi guys, Agatha here from Dolphin RGV. We are a local family company located in McAllen, Texas. We work around the Rio Grande Valley, so we buy houses in cash as is without you having to make any repairs for the houses. Well, we work in Edinburgh, Mission, Hidalgo, Far, San Juan, Alamo, Westlaco, Sherryland. So if you have a real estate problem, we can help you work it out. We help homeowners who are going through probate or who are facing foreclosure or maybe have fire damage or a house has a lot of repairs needed and you don't want to deal with them. We can buy that house from you and you can move on with your life. Also, sometimes we are going through some hardships and we just need to get rid of the house, or we are relocating, or whatever the situation is. Everybody is unique and we work with different homeowners. You can give us a call at 956-904-3234, or you can visit our webpage at www.dolphinrgv.com. That's dolphin with an F. Okay? Give us a call and we can give you a fair cash offer for your property. See you around.